Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to bring back all of your desktop icons from your from from sorry from your desktop. So accidentally, some people click show desktop icons, then they will lose all of files from the desktop. So how to bring back them? It is very simple. Those files are not deleted, so you can simply do that. Simply, I'm using Windows 11 laptop. So how to do that? Simply right click on your desktop, then select view options. Then you can see here there is another option, show desktop icons. So you can see here there is no tick mark. That means this function is not activated. You can simply click here to activate that function, and you can see here my files, my folders, everything come back here. So this is very a simple method and simple tutorial. You can easily identify that. And once more, right click on the desktop, then select view. Then you can see here show desktop icons with tick mark. That means it is enabled. Okay, so uh, worry about if there is tick mark and there is no files, no folders, then you will have some problems. Otherwise, there is no problems. Without there is no tick mark, there is no files, no problems. So in this way, you can easily bring back all of your files and folders from your desktop. So that's guys very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so I can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.